And we're here because we are facing a situation with the MTA where there is inequity. We have the same company that we work for. We drive the same buses. We have the same symbol on the side of our shirt that they have on theirs, an MTA symbol. With that, we're being told that we're not getting the equal wages that they get. We're also being told that we're not getting a pension that is equal to the pension that the MTA is getting.
That's the TWU deal that recently got worked out?
That's correct.
Okay, so what's different on the wages, and then it's altogether something different for the pension?
Yes. The wages were bumped up by 8% in the last round of negotiation. At this time, we have not been given that 8% wage increase. Since then, there was another increase of about 5%. So there are 2 wage increases that have occurred since we got our last wage increase, which occurred ending in 2012. That was 2009 to 2012. Since 2012, this bargaining unit 1179 and 1181 have not received a wage increase. So for 5 years, we have not received a wage increase. We have come to a point where we're now demanding a wage increase.
How many members are represented by the unions, by this union in particular, and then if you could boil that down for me, who they represent, the drivers out of?
Sure. These 2 unions represent about 1,000 working members. They are the drivers out of Spring Creek Depot, JFK Depot, and Far Rockaway Depot. They also represent the supervisors out of JFK and Far Rockaway Depot, as well as the maintainers out of Far Rockaway, JFK, and Spring Creek depots.
All right, TWU, obviously a much larger union, 32,000 members. Yours is a much smaller unit. Why do you think there hasn't been a deal yet made with this unit?
Because we are considered a smaller union, we're at the end of the pattern bargaining. There's pattern bargaining that have existed in the city of New York for quite some time. We are at the end of that pattern bargaining. They're telling us at this point right now, we don't have funding to fund the pension that was given to the TWU. We have seen no evidence of that. We were told that it would be in the next round of negotiations, the funding for it. We've seen no evidence of that. We are just being told by a company that we are not getting a pattern that has existed since this MTA has taken over the former private bus companies.
And given that the job is very much the same, driving the buses, what should people take away from this?
They should take the fact that we are being treated differently and that we need the same fair treatment as everyone else in the city of New York that drives a bus, fixes a bus, or supervises the buses in the city of New York.
Anything else you wish to say?
Michael?
Equal pension!
Equal pay!
Equal pension! Equal pay! Equal pension! Equal pay! Equal pension! Equal pay!